Alright, this is our Lone Star Grillz mini insulated cabinet smoker. This is going to be the smaller of the two insulated smokers that we make. Constructed from 11 gauge carbon steel inside and outside. Seam welded. All the way around inside and outside. .304 stainless steel doors, lockable slam latches, made in USA, tell true temp gauges, machine hinges, which are also oilable so that you can keep those lubricated. 2 brass ball valves are included. You have your smaller drain valve, 1.25 inch, and then your 2-inch ball valve, which is your air intake control. Also, it's very easily adaptable with the Barbecue Guru system with their 2-inch ball valve adapter, which screws right in here, and then you plug your fan directly into the adapter. Spring-loaded damper control. Precisely control your temp. A feature unique to our units is this water fill feature, which is plumbed directly into the water pan. That allows us to add water while we're cooking without having to open the door. Another unique feature of ours is that the way it's designed, once the water drops slightly below half full, you'll start to see a small amount of smoke come out of here, which lets you know that we've dropped below that halfway mark and we need to add some more water into the water reservoir. Slide out racks. All our pits are going to come with the basic instruction manual detailing seasoning, the types of wood to use, the proper wood and charcoal ratios, curing, and also care and maintenance. Here you can see our 1/4 inch thick water pan, which will hold 3.5 gallons of water. That's to the rim. You probably want to go a little less than that so it doesn't spill over the sides into your firebox. Here you can see it hard piped into the drain, which is also hard piped into our water fill feature. Now this smoker doesn't have to be used with water. You can use it with or without water. It'll work either way equally well. Just for those of you who prefer to use water, you have that option. Those of you who don't, this is simply just a heat diverter so that we're doing indirect cooking. Into that water pan you can also add anything like apple juice, apple cider vinegar, beer, anything that will help enhance that flavor while you're cooking. And when you're done, grease and water and everything drip or drain right out of that drain valve for easy cleanup. We have 5 3/4 inches in between each of these racks. Easily accommodates pork butts, briskets, chickens. Inside our firebox area, we have a integrated firebox / ash pan, which slide out together, which prevents ashes and coals dropping down through the firebox onto your patio floor. That way you catch everything all at once. When you're done, you simply slide the ash pan completely out, dump it out, and cleanup's done. Here we show our removable T-plates, which is an add-on item. These are adjustable, so you can adjust the spacing in between the channels. We also CNC cut these air inlets in the side of the firebox for even distribution of air coming into the box for maximum efficiency. The bottom of our firebox, we don't weld in the bottom expanded metal. That's going to be a wear item so that you can pull that out and replace it if it does burn out. Just about any hardware store in America can sell another piece of that expanded metal, so that doesn't make this a specialized item that you have to come back to us for. We try and make maintenance and any future items like that as easy as possible to repair. This box will slide all the way out, self-supporting, as well as come completely out if you need it to. Another option that you cannot see but is installed already is our removable heat deflector plate. What that plate is an additional plate that sits below the water pan, which for cooking with water is very helpful in diffusing the heat around the water pan. Instead of directly heating the water, we indirectly heat the water, so we use less water, less charcoal, and we make less steam while we're cooking at higher temperatures with water in the water pan. So a very useful addition, and just as easy as it slides in, you can also remove it by pulling out the firebox and then lifting that panel out. Fully adjustable latches so that as the seal wears, we can go in and out with that to keep pressure on that seal, keeping the smoke and heat locked inside this cabinet. The main purpose of this video, we've done many videos on the Insulated before, the main purpose of updating our video is to show you the new seals that we've gotten. These seals are made from an OEM manufacturer that manufactures high quality oven seals for your high-end appliances. We've had them manufacture for us the same seal in the same configuration that we've been using on our smokers in the past, so that we can integrate this new seal into our smoker seamlessly, but also offer this as a replacement seal for any of our existing smokers. So if you have one of our smokers and it has the older fiberglass rope seal, we can now sell you the upgrade or the replacement when yours needs replacing, that will seamlessly integrate with your existing smoker. These seals are made with the 304 stainless steel mesh interior spring, so you can see as I push down on that, it flexes back out. That extends the life of the seal, maintains a constant pressure on the door over the life of the seal, so it'll maintain that tight bond with the door, keeping all the smoke and heat inside. The same screws that hold the flange for the seal, same setup as we've always used, allowing you to change that seal out easily. Phillips screwdriver or a screw gun, just pull that off. That whole flange comes off as one picture frame on the top and separately the bottom door. You see how nice and tight that bonds with the door, and as you open it, how it springs back open out of the way because of that internal spring. With our mini insulated smoker, we can fit up to 20 pounds of charcoal briquettes into the firebox. That's without the T-plates. You're going to get a little bit less with your T-plates in there. 20 pounds at 225 is going to burn 20 plus hours. So we're roughly getting 1 hour per pound of fuel consumption at that 225 mark. Here we show our handle, which is one of our accessories also. We also offer tables on the sides, tie-down rings if you haul it quite a bit. We can do custom paint jobs. We can CNC cut your logos, your team artwork, company logos. Personalize them with your name. Again, this is our Lone Star Grillz mini insulated vertical smoker. For more information, check us out at lonestargrills.com or give us a call 936-539-1319.